What's good, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about a business loan option with no credit check that you can get up to $125,000. If you can't already tell, this is through PayPal, and it's a few specific details we need to go over about this account before you try to apply. This is something that can be used if you are a new business or a startup business, but you do have to wait a little bit of time before you'll be able to actually get this account. We're going to talk about that coming up. If you don't know me, I'm Will Frazier, your credit and business expert, here to help you with your credit needs, your business needs, and your business funding needs. Now, if you don't want your credit score to drop 150 points, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I drop, just like this one. Now, as mentioned, we're going to be talking about this working capital loan from PayPal. And as you can see here, they already off the rip are mentioning flexible payments, one affordable fixed fee, no credit check, and funding in just minutes. Now, the real benefit of this loan is going to be, of course, how fast you can get it, in addition to the fact that they don't do a credit check. So you don't have to worry about them doing a credit check to approve you for this loan. Basically, it is based off how much revenue you are generating through their platform. Initially, in order to qualify for this working funding loan, you're going to have to actually have an account with PayPal, either the Premier account or a business account. You would have to have either of these two accounts for a minimum of 3 months in order to get this working capital loan. So you have to have it for 3 months, and you would have to have revenue coming through the account. And again, that's how they determine how much you actually qualify for the loan. The loan ranges between $1,000 all the way up to $125,000. And now, in addition to that, they do have some extra qualifications. So with that, you have to have a certain amount of annual revenue coming through your account or through PayPal transactions in order for them to be able to approve you for this loan. And if you are using the Premier account, then it would be $20,000 that you would have had to have made in 12 months time. Other than that, with the business account, you would have to have made at least $15,000, which doesn't translate into a whole lot monthly. Of course, you would just basically have to, get started with your business, start selling your product and making money, which is of course what you want to do anyway. And then you would have to hit that dollar amount threshold. And after you hit that dollar amount threshold for the 12-month period, then you would qualify for the loan as long as you have had your account for at least 3 months time. So again, this is still in the beginning startup, new business phase. So this does still count as something that a new business can use. Again, you just have to already be bringing in some money in order to qualify for this loan. But again, it's very good if you don't have an option that's available to you, because you would need a credit check. And now, just so you can get some more details on this loan and how it actually works, they have flexible payments. So you can choose a share of your sales to automatically deduct as payments. So managing your cash flow is easier. So basically, any sales that you have coming through, they'll take money, a percentage from each of those sales to total up to your minimal payment for that month. And of course, they do have a minimal dollar amount number. So if you don't reach that amount from your sales for the month at that time, then they will, eventually just take the minimal amount that they do have set. Of course, here they mention a no credit check. Your loan is primarily based on your PayPal account history, so no credit check is required, and it doesn't affect your credit score at all. And funding in minutes, there's no time-consuming application or check of your financial history. Approved loans are funded in just minutes. So really, it's very simple, very quick, very easy. You don't have to do a large, extremely long application. You don't have to go through the credit check process. They're taking the fees out of money that you're already making, because you have to already be making money to be able to qualify for this. And it's just simple. It's a good option for funding if you are low on options for funding. Like I said, the only thing you have to do is just be in business for at least 3 months and be using PayPal in order to handle your transactions. Now, PayPal isn't the absolute best merchant company out there. There are several others out there that you've probably heard of, and they do have similar loans to this, where they are looking at your income that you're bringing in and whatnot. But this PayPal option, like I said, is a very good option because of the no credit check and how fast you get funded and how simple the process is. So this is going to be one of your funding options. Of course, we'll cover more in the future. If you got value from this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you've tried this working capital loan from PayPal before, make sure you leave some comments down below to kind of let us know what your experience was with the process and the funding, and just let us know how that was for you. That information does always help other users that have been trying to get information on these accounts as well. So I thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. If you're looking for other business funding options, I'm going to link to another video on another business funding option for a business loan, and make sure you share this video with anyone that you think may need the information. And I'll see you guys next time.